Hello everyone, this is Cedar Wolf, your video technique instructor and OpenShot video editing tutor. I'm going to walk you through how to download OpenShot and how to install OpenShot on your computer. The first thing we want to do is open up a web browser. I'll open up Firefox, and in the search window, I'll type OpenShot Video Editor, and it should come right up. I'm going to click on the link to open up the web page, and you can see here at the top there's an option to download the software. I'll click on that, and here you can see there's another button to download the software. It also says this is a Windows 64-bit installer. There's another link below the download button to download a 32-bit version of the software. So which version should you download? Well, this depends on the operating system that you are working with on your computer. If your computer is a 32-bit operating system, then you download the 32-bit version. If you have a 64-bit operating system, then you download the 64-bit version. You can find this information in your Windows system settings, or if you're working on a Mac, you can find the information in the system settings there as well. We'll also want to look at the other system requirements that are necessary to use OpenShot to its fullest capacity. I'm going to open up another window and type OpenShot System Requirements. I'm going to open up this page and scroll down to the bottom, and you can see here it has all of the recommended system requirements. Again, you can see 64-bit operating system. You can use it on OS X, that's Mac or Windows. Ideally, you'll have a multi-core processor, so that means a dual-core or quad-core processor, at least 4 gigabytes of RAM, and 500 megabytes of hard disk space. These are not absolutes. You should be able to install the program on your computer if you don't meet these specifications. It just means that the software may run a bit slower than is ideal. I'm going to go back to the download page, and we'll download the 64-bit version. I'm going to save file, and I'll navigate to my downloads, and you can see that the software is downloading right here, and it's finished. If I double click on the software file, it'll begin to walk me through the installation procedure. This window may appear depending on the security settings on your computer. I'll select yes. I'll choose English, but you can also select from a number of different languages here. I'll accept the user agreements. And yes, I'll create a desktop shortcut, so I'll leave that checked. Okay, it's ready to install, so I'll click the installation. We have to wait for a little bit here as it installs. Now the installation is complete. It is asking me, do I want to launch OpenShot Video Editor? I'll leave that checked, and I'll click Finish. And there we go. OpenShot is installed on my computer.